Take a look at this piece. Do you see anything familiar? Well, you should already know we have a music staff. We also have quarter notes here. Here we have eighth notes joined with beams instead of flags, a half note, and a dotted half note. Notice the stems. Below the third line, stems go up to the right, and notes that are above the third line, the stems go down to the left. Now you see these vertical lines? They divide the music into sections, and we call them bar lines. These are bar lines. Music is divided into measures. This is a measure, this is a measure, this is a measure, and this is a measure. You may also hear the term used as bars. So measures and bars are the same thing. So this would be bar 1 or measure 1. This would be bar 2 or measure 2, measure 3 or bar 3, measure 4 or bar 4. Now each measure has a certain number of beats, but how many beats? That's determined by this. The time signature. Now there are two components. The top number tells us how many beats in each measure, and the bottom number tells us what kind of note gets the beat. In this piece, the top number is 3. So there are 3 beats in each measure or bar. But there's a bottom number. And what is that bottom number all about? Well, it's a code. I'll tell you. Okay, you remember the whole note. The whole note, the code is 1. The half note, the code is, yes, 2. The quarter note, the code is 4. Good. And the eighth note, the code is 8. So this time signature tells us there are 3 quarter notes in every measure. So let's check this out and see if every measure equals 3 beats according to our time signature. So let's look at measure number 1. We have 1 quarter note, we have a second quarter note, and we have a third quarter note. And so we know that this equals 3 beats. Let's look at the next measure. We have 2 eighth notes beamed together, and we know when we see 2 eighth notes beamed together, it equals 1 quarter note. So this is 1 quarter note, this is a second quarter note, and then we have a third quarter note equaling 3 beats in each measure. Let's look at the next measure. We have a half note. This is going to be held for 2 counts. And then we have 2 eighth notes that are beamed together. And we already know when we see 2 eighth notes beamed together, that is equal 1 quarter note. And that is back to our 3. And then the last measure, we have a dotted half note. And we know a half note gets 2 beats, but the dot adds half of its value, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. So our measures are correct. Now let's hear how it sounds.